All right, guys, this is my review of the Saber grill. This thing is an absolute monster. It's propane, but dude, this thing is so sturdy. Look at that. You've got the up top, you got the ridge up top, and you also have the base down here. And there is tons of space. You have tons of prep space on each side. But this is definitely, and you even got the wheels that lock. Dude, this is one of the highest quality portable, like movable wheel grills that I've ever seen. This is basically like getting one of those like high-end like Viking stoves right on your patio. These things are very cool. This is actually at an Airbnb that we're staying at, so they went all out with this grill. And I can tell you, if you're a grill person, this is going to be for you. You have three different knobs to turn it on, and the top is super durable. This is an absolute beast of a grill, and you can't go wrong with this thing.